What's going on, guys? This is Keegan from Findlay Subaru Prescott. As you can see, we got some remodeling going on over here. I'm with my good friend Steve. As Subaru, we like to do a lot of things for the community, and this is just one of them. I met Steve a couple years ago just by selling him a car at the dealership, and through that, we've built a really close relationship. We're both veterans. We've both been through very similar experiences. We've had the opportunity to really help each other out and grow as people. Steve told me he had some stuff going on with this house. If you want to tell me a little bit kind of about what was going on.
Yeah, so the insurance did a typical walkover to renew the policy. And when they did that, they saw a lot of deficiencies that they wanted addressed in order to renew the policy. At the time, I was going to do it myself. I really had no plans to tell Keegan about it. When the time came, I knew I wouldn't be able to do it by myself. I have a lot of medical issues that I just can't get over. And that's when I told him about it right away. It's like, he took it as a personal mission. He said he was going to talk to his PR and a lot of the people at the dealership, and he said he'd get it done.
So I went in, as you all know, you've heard him on the radio. If you come in the dealership, you've seen him. He's got a lot of energy. Jason Jenkins went in there and spoke to him kind of about what was going on. And we talked about the Subaru Love Promise and just what we can do to give back. As you can see, they're doing a lot of facial work right now behind us. And we want to thank everybody that helped put this together. So we have Capstone here working on all the remodeling, and then Home Depot donated a lot of the materials. So thank you guys. We couldn't have done this without your help. And it means a lot to us at Findlay Subaru Prescott, and then of course the community.
Hi, I'm Kara Hartman from Findlay Subaru Prescott. I learned about this project through one of our staff members, Keegan, who had befriended Steve through an auto purchase, actually. That's how they met. And, you know, when I learned of the predicament that he needed to have this work done in order to keep his homeowner's insurance, I really started to reach out to the community, different veterans support agencies, and they got me connected. Talked to Tom at Yavapai Roofing, who knew Jamie at Capstone Construction. And, you know, they teamed up to do this project, came out, took a look at the work that needed to be done, and Jamie made the commitment to come out here and do the work. I've talked to Home Depot, and they were gracious enough to donate all of the materials to do the work. So thank you very much, Home Depot, and the team there, as well as Jamie at Capstone Construction and his team here who are doing the work. They're here to get his house in a safe condition that he won't lose his homeowner's insurance. So we're really excited to be able to be a part of this project. You know, we're here to help feed all of the guys doing the work with some breakfast from El Gordo's, and really just a community effort to get this done for Steve. And you know, we're thankful for everybody who has chipped in to make this happen. The whole community came out to help with this project. We have a lot of people to thank. We need to say a shout out to Urban Desert Landscaping. They're going to be here to clean up the property once all of the construction is done and make it look great. We need to thank Capstone Construction and Jamie with his crew. They're out here doing all of the labor today in the warm, humid weather. We need to thank Findlay Subaru Prescott for organizing this and getting everybody together to help our local veteran. Thank you to Tom at Yavapai Roofing and everybody that has pitched in. Thank you to Home Depot. They donated the materials to get the job done. So thank you to everybody that helped pitched in for our local veteran, Steve.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm Jamie Williams. I'm the owner of Capstone Construction and Remodeling, a local general contractor here in the Yavapai County area. We're based out of Prescott Valley, local family owned and operated. We've been here since 1987, take pride in everything that we do, and we are here working on a local veterans home. So basically we're here because this veteran has some rotted fascia, some issues with stucco, a couple of parts on his home that the insurance has decided were not quite up to par. I believe the story was they actually wanted to drop his insurance, which would have affected his living situation. Todd Cartwright from Yavapai Roofing got a hold of us, asked us if we could come and help out. We were able to get a hold of Home Depot. They helped out by donating materials to us. We teamed up with Findlay Subaru, who has helped bringing out the materials to the job. They brought us some breakfast burritos and whatnot, and are being very supportive. We're basically helping this veteran to keep his insurance, to keep his home. We've got the whole crew for Capstone out here, all 6 of us, and we're just honored to be able to help a veteran keep his home, keep his insurance, and help keep our community beautiful.